patient coordinator here with Dr. Govern's office. It's a big step a lot of times to schedule your initial consultation because there's a fear of the unknown as far as what happens during the consultation. So we find that it's particularly helpful to go over with you and kind of give you a brief preview as far as what happens during that consultation. As with any initial consultation, you are going to have to fill out paperwork first. And once you fill out that paperwork, we'll go ahead and take you back to an exam room. At that point, Dr. Govern will come in and talk with you first, just kind of get to know you and see what we're trying to achieve during this appointment. After he's talked with you and gotten a little background on your medical history, he will step out of the room. We will take pictures of the area that we are talking about. It does not go beyond your chart. It is only for your chart, and typically we like to use it for before and after pictures, which is really exciting to see where you were before and where you end up at afterwards. Once we've done that, we will do the exam, and then Dr. Govern will step out again and have you change back into your clothes, and he'll come back in and finish the consultation with you. After he's gone over with you all the pre and post-operative care that would happen with the surgery, I'll come back in and give you a tour of the office, so you'll see the operating room and the recovery room. That way you'll be comfortable with where everything is going to be done at, and there's no surprises on the day of surgery as well. And then you'll come back to my office and we'll go over all the financial needs as far as the financing and what the actual surgery is going to cost. At that point, you can either schedule your surgery, or we will follow up with you closely afterwards and find a good time that is right for you and your family and your work schedule and all of that good stuff. I will be here, of course, Monday through Friday business hours for any questions or any concerns. Sometimes you leave the office and you think of 5, 10, 15 more questions, and we expect that. It's hard to remember everything you want to ask during that initial consultation, so we really appreciate any phone calls that we get and just anything that we can do to make your visit and your surgery more comfortable. If you have any other questions, you can contact me at 361-993-2222, or you can also email me at plastic@dowdland.net. Again, I welcome any other questions you might have for me. Thank you.